Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use emotes in Anime Vanguard PC. To begin, simply press and hold the G key on your keyboard. This action will bring up the emote wheel, allowing you to see all your currently equipped emotes. It's the primary way to access your expressive animations in the game, so remember that G key. Once the emote wheel appears, use your mouse to hover over the specific emote you wish to perform. You'll typically see a selection of up to 4 equipped emotes available. After highlighting your preferred choice, simply release the G key. Your character will then immediately begin performing the chosen animation, adding a unique flair to your gameplay and interactions. To expand your emote collection, you'll need to complete specific in-game achievements. Many emotes are rewards for these accomplishments. Once unlocked, head to the Emote NPC, often named Haruka Rin, in the game's lobby. Here, you can equip up to 4 of your favorite emotes to appear on your emote wheel. Emotes are a fantastic way to express yourself and interact with other players. Use them to celebrate a hard-won victory or to simply add some fun to your character's actions. Always double-check that your desired emotes are properly equipped in your inventory via the Emote NPC. Otherwise, you might just see blank spaces on your wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.